Hi guys, I'm Cassidy and today
Cassidy Valentine is a YouTuber, but worrying about her looks has affected her mental and physical health.
As I said in yesterday's video, I've been suffering from mental health problems, depression, anxiety.
Lip fillers seemed an easy fix, but things went wrong.
I got injected into my artery and my artery got occluded, and that ended up in me being rushed into Harley Street to have it dissolved because I had no pulse in my top lip and my lip was about to fall off.
A record number of Londoners are reaching for Botox or fillers to boost their self-esteem. But when it goes wrong, it's both dangerous and expensive. A study at the Royal London Hospital saw 6 times the number of people needing urgent care from procedures done abroad between 2013 and 2018. Now the Department of Health is warning people to do their research to minimise the risk. But a lot of the problems are fixed privately.
There's discoloration going all the way to the tip of the nose, which means that there's been vascular compromise.
What does that mean?
That means that there are certain parts of her mouth and nose that are not getting the blood supply that they need. And if that is not rectified, you can have the tissue die.
Every week, Dr. Maryam Zamani sees several patients who discover that choosing a cut-price option ultimately costs them much more.
I do think that people think that it's acceptable and okay to go to these places, and they don't know the dangers. I think the lack of education about what these procedures are and what the potential complications could be is very scary.
The UK is less regulated than many other countries in this area, and it's something which surprised this dermatologist who works in the United States.
They're much stricter. Most of the injectables are usually done by physicians, nurse practitioners, sometimes physician assistants, but they're definitely and estheticians, but they're not done by hairstylists or anybody who opens a clinic.
The Department of Health says it's working to strengthen regulations and that this campaign is to help people make an informed choice.
This whole thing has just affected me.
But for Cassidy, who says she did do her research, the effects of what she thought was a little pick-me-up will be much more than skin deep. Emma North, BBC London News.
And I wasn't even the worst case that these people have had. Just had a massive panic attack on the phone to my mum. My mum's a paramedic and